Welcome, guys, back to another episode of Daniel the Adjuster, helping you to become the best adjuster. So, Hurricane Ian has made its path of destruction. Have you guys seen the photos, the movies? Oh my goodness, the devastation is unbelievable. They said 500 year storm, which means they haven't seen one there in 500 years. Now, that is devastating, and we are so sad for the loss of life. Please do not stay in your home when there is a hurricane of this magnitude. It's just foolishness. So moving on, you as an adjuster, what in the world are you going to do now? Oh my goodness, if your email is burning up like mine is, nonstop people saying, please come, please come, please come. We beg you, we're gonna raise the fee schedule, we're gonna pay you more. It's a great opportunity for those new adjusters as well as the seasoned adjuster. Don't pass up this opportunity for you guys to get deployed. The ones who have no experience, the ones that have never done this, except that you have your license and you're sitting around going, what am I gonna do now? Well, this is the opportunity to take that big leap, the big leap into this business. It will set your future on path and on course for a fantastic career in adjusting. Now your questions are, well, what if I don't do well? What if I really mess up? Well guys, that's the risk that you will take. But if in your head you're saying, this is my chance, this is my opportunity to do well, then you will. Hey, everybody knows that a new adjuster is going to make mistakes. Don't let that mess you up and mess your opportunities up. Take the chance, step out there, be bold, and get out into this new career, hoping to make the best of it. Not looking in the discouragement side and saying, what if I fail? Hey, we all failed. We all did a crummy claim. We all did a crummy inspection. But I can tell you, you learn a whole lot from making those mistakes. And you won't make them again when you got to drive back out and get more photos. It just is a great way of teaching us how to be good adjusters. So you say, how do I know which one to go for? Well, here, the best opportunity is if somebody's willing to give you a chance, take it. You just never know what will develop from that opportunity. It may provide even daily claims later if they like your work. But don't sit back and go, well, I'm going to wait for the better offer. I'm going to wait for this offer. No, take the first offer. Go for it, step in, and you will be surprised. So you're saying, what if I don't do well? Well, you may not, but they're not going to fire you. More than likely, there'll be a trainer, there'll be a helper there that will guide you through the process of writing these claims. It is a great opportunity for you to be put into this position when otherwise you may not have had a chance. So don't worry, don't stress, you will do fine. As those seasons adjusters are out there and we are knocking it out of the park, 5, 6, I'm actually getting hammered with claims in the Raleigh area right where I live. There's tons and tons of damage here, wind-wise, trees, fences, siding off of houses, water leaks in the home. So that's actually keeping me quite busy for this storm as well. And the storm did move its way up into here quite a bit. So it's great. This is going to be something that will be residual work for me for a long time. Now, I also have lots of new carriers I've never worked for that are calling me also because they're getting bombarded with claims as well. So great opportunity to grab some more work while I'm sitting around. So guys, I just want to encourage you. This is an opportunity for those who are brand new to succeed, for those that are successful to continue, and maybe even take on a couple new carriers they're not used to using or working for. It's a great opportunity to grow your business. So, Daniel the Adjuster here, helping you to become the best adjuster. See ya.